Hello everyone, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn two most important rule of differentiation, and these rules are chain rule and the quotient rule. First look at the structure of the chain rule. So this is the structure of the chain rule, that is ddx of fx into gx equal to fx into ddx of gx plus gx into ddx of fx. So in this way we define the chain rule of differentiation. Now let us understand this chain rule more precisely. Suppose we have given product of two function, that is fx into gx. Now the chain rule for this product will be, that is the structure of the chain rule for this product, that is fx into gx will be this. fx into ddx of gx plus gx into ddx of fx. অর্থাৎ আমি ফার্স্ট ফাংশনটোক সেম রাখি as it is রাখি, আমি সেকেন্ড ফাংশনটোক ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিছো ফলোড বাই এডিশন, দেন আমি কি কৰিছো সেকেন্ড ফাংশনটোক as it is ৰাখি, দেন আমি ফার্স্ট ফাংশনটোক ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিছো with respect to x. Now let us understand this chain rule with the help of a example. Look at this example. We have given a function fx equal to x log x. অর্থাৎ এটা ফাংশন দিয়া আছে আমাক fx equal to x log x. Now we need to find dy by dx. So এই ফাংশনটো তোমালোকে মন কৰা x into log x, অর্থাৎ product of two function হিসাবে দিয়া আছে. তো first function is x and the second function is log x. So we use the chain rule of differentiation to find the derivatives of this given function, that is fx equal to x into log x. dy by dx equal to ddx of x log x, since y equal to x log x. Now we use the chain rule in this way. X into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of x. অর্থাৎ আমি কি কৰিছো ফার্স্ট ফাংশনটো as it is ৰাখিছো, দেন আমি সেকেন্ড ফাংশনটো ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিছো, দেন ফলোড বাই এডিশন আমি কি কৰিছো সেকেন্ড ফাংশনটো as it is ৰাখি এগেইন আমি ফার্স্ট ফাংশনটো ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিছো with respect to x. ঠিক আছে? Now from here, after differentiating what we have, আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন কৰাৰ পিছত কি পাম, আমি log x ৰ ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন আমি জানো 1 by x, again ddx of x equal to 1 হয়. So putting these values, from here we have x into 1 by x plus log x. From here, cancelling this x and this x, we have finally 1 plus log x, which is the required answer for the given example. Next, look at the quotient rule. So this rule is basically used to find the derivatives of division of two functions. অর্থাৎ যেতিয়া আমাৰ দুটা ফাংশন ডিভিজন হিচাপে দিয়া থাকে তেতিয়া তাক আমি ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিব কাৰণে এই quotient rule টো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰো. First look at the structure of the quotient rule. The quotient rule is defined in this way: gx into ddx of fx minus fx into ddx of gx divided by gx whole square. অর্থাৎ আমি প্রথমতে নিউমারেটর লিখো second function to first, then আমি differentiate কৰিম first function to, then followed by subtraction we write fx into ddx of the second function, that is gx, divided by gx whole square. Now to understand this quotient rule, let us take an example. If fx equal to x divided by sin x, then find the value of dy by dx. অর্থাৎ যদি এটা ফাংশন দিয়া থাকে আমাক সাপোজ fx equal to x by sin x, this is in terms of division of two function. The first function is x and the second function is sin x. Then we need to find the value of dy by dx. To find the derivatives of this function, this kind of function, we use the quotient rule of differentiation. Look at the solution. ddx of x by sin x. Now we apply the chain rule. Applying this same rule, we have sin x, that is the second function, differentiation of the first function, that is x, minus x, that is the first function, and the differentiation of the second function, that is ddx of sin x, divided by second function whole square, that is sin x whole square. Now from here, after differentiation, we have the differentiation of dx equal to 1, again the differentiation of sin x equal to cos x. Now putting these values, we have sin x into 1 minus x into cos x divided by sin x whole square. Now from here, finally we have sin x minus x cos x divided by sin x whole square, which is the required answer for the given example.